Welcome to our lesson about the inquiry options in AutoCAD. I've got some geometry in my model space. Snap mode is on. Let's go to Tools on the main menu strip and scroll down to Inquiry. Here we've got a few options: distance, radius, angle, area, volume, etc. Let's start by measuring distance. First, I select the points to measure, this point and this point. The distance shows as 13 units. Down below, we see extra information such as angle, the delta of x and the delta of y, and so on. Let's select distance again. We'll select this point and this point. Now we've got the delta of y, the delta of x, and the actual distance as well as the angle. Let's measure the radius of my circle now. Select the circle. Here are the radius and diameter values. Let's select angle. I'll select this line and this line. And here is a 90-degree angle. Let's select angle again. Lines don't have to intersect in order to measure the angle between them. Just make your selections, the first line and the second line. We have a 44-degree angle between these two lines. The next option is area. Let's select the first point, the second point, the third point, point number 4, and press Enter. We have an area of 65 units with a 36-unit perimeter. Let's return to distance. I'll select my first point now. Now if I snap the mouse to this corner but don't left-click, or hover over any other point without left-clicking, we can quickly review the distance between our start point and all of these other points. Let's take a look at the Multiple Points option now. Right-click and scroll down to Multiple Points. Let's select this point, and this point, this point. As you see, our total distance so far is 26.5 units. Let's select a couple more points, this one and this one. And now our distance totals approximately 47 units. When I'm done, I right-click and enter, right-click and enter again to exit this option, and finally press Escape to close the tool. And this concludes our lesson about the inquiry options in AutoCAD.